Adios! POV, you don't want your hats to get ruined, so you have to bring them all on your flight. Anyways, come with me to an amazing 14-hour flight to Korea. I look forward to these flights so much. I never like to ask for help, so this is me proving that I am a strong girl indeed. Also, this is my first time traveling with my brand new Korean passport. It's so chic. Alright, let's cleanse my face first. I'm using these cleansing wipes, and this is a reminder that you should always do this because look at that dirt. I'm wearing nothing on my skin too. I'm misty, and I just got microneedling done on my face yesterday, so I'm just being very, very careful with what I put on my skin. Every time I tell people I'm going to Korea, everyone's like, how do you survive the 14-hour flight? But honestly, I look forward to it so much because as someone whose job is mainly on my phone, it's the one time I have no excuse but to unplug, and there's no Wi-Fi, there's no signal, and I just get to eat all the food. I literally finish every food that they give me, do my skincare, do my mask. It's a time to just slowly reflect and sleep. I've done this 14-hour flight so many times over the years, still have never flown business, but I'm very perfectly happy in my economy seat with my book and my Korean meals.